This is a nice little tool to create the stories. It creates the stories and it speaks it. So let's try one. It's a very small story. Huh? Choose character. I will do about Bulderol. So a blue octopus. Give it a name called Bulderol. Theme of the story. Here you can detail the main theme of the story. Example, a mouse who didn't like to share his cheese. So what could be the story about Bulderol? So, to make it fun, maybe think about it. The Bulderol, what happened? He has been bought by a new owner whose first action has been to steal money from already poorly performing affiliates. That's the first real action we have seen. So you can sugarcoat it like you want, the leaders, they don't want to speak bad about it. But if we are objective, that's what we have seen. Then there are maybe some reasons. They say, oh, but it was such in a bad financial situation that they had to do that. With no communication at first. They didn't say why. But they are new owners. They bought Bulderol. If they are beggars, so why buy Bulderol at all? They bought Bulderol. And then they change the rules. So anyway, it's not about that. So let's try to keep positive about it. Do a story about the blue octopus. A blue octopus who wanted to swim in the river. Oh yes. So whatever, huh? We don't know. And the teaching or reflection. It is best to I don't know, I want to say keep things simple. Yes. Whatever. Let's make magic. So if it works, it should generate a story and read it out loud with the computer. So what you can do, and it will also generate artificial intelligence image to illustrate the story. So this we can then build upon it. First, to record the sound is not, you cannot download the MP3 because it's generated by your computer with text to speech. But what you can do is to record the screen. So look, it could do a blue octopus, but the image is not very nice, and we can generate other image to illustrate better the image, the story. So this is not a problem. We can take this one, just open in a new tab. You will see the real size is so small. You can upscale it if you want, but you can also generate other images with Midjourney or other things. So let's listen to this story. I need a helmet.
Once there was a blue octopus named Bulderol who lived in the deep ocean. He had always wanted to explore new things, but the vast ocean scared him and he never had the courage to venture out.
It's funny.
One day, he heard about a beautiful river that ran through his city, and he decided that he wanted to swim in it. He told his friends about his desire, but they all thought it was too dangerous for him and warned him against it. However, Bulderol did not listen and kept dreaming of swimming in the river. When the day came for him to bravely take on this new adventure, Bulderol was so excited and nervous at the same time. He slowly made his way to the river, making sure to take all of the necessary safety precautions such as wearing a life vest and having a friend with him for support. Once at the river, Bulderol was able to enjoy himself fully without worrying about anything. He felt like he could explore every nook and cranny of this new environment as he swam around happily. Bulderol learned an important lesson on this adventure: keep things simple. Even though it might be scary or intimidating at first, if you take small steps and don't get overwhelmed by too much information or details, you can find success.
That's wonderful. Wonderful little story about Bulderol, the blue octopus, who wanted to swim in the river. So after, you can do what you want with it, or you can create several stories and put them together in a video. Do what you want. But this was a little tool, and it's called Tiny Stories. Story with IE, not Y.com. tinystory.com. That's it. Bye bye.